Hello, users, and welcome to another episodic installation of Above It All, the series in which I get drunk and laugh at Amy Klobuchar. So I've seen this video already, and I'm kind of just going through something right now. I'm kind of drunk. I'm really drunk, actually. And I'm just kind of having fun on the internet. And I wanted to, when I saw this video the first time, I wanted to make a video of me laughing at it. And, and then I forgot. But I'm just gonna watch it. This is probably the best video I've ever seen in my life. So I'm just gonna watch this video and enjoy it.
The president actually sent out a tweet. He made fun of me for talking about climate change in the middle of a blizzard, and he called me Snow Woman. So I wrote back, "Hey, Donald Trump, the science is on my side, and I'd like to see how your hair would fare in a blizzard." So I wrote back, "Hey, Donald Trump, the science is on my side, and I'd like to see how your hair would fare in a blizzard." So I wrote back, "Donald Trump, the science is on my side, and I'd like to see how your hair would fare in a blizzard." Sometimes, if you haven't noticed, you use a little humor. Like when he called me Snow Woman at my announcement in the middle of that thing, I wrote back on Twitter, "I'd like to see how your hair would fare in a blizzard." So I wrote back, "Hey, Donald Trump." So I wrote back, "Hey, Donald Trump." So I wrote back. I tweeted back, "The science is on my side, and I'd like to see how your hair would fare." And I'd like to see how your hair would fare in a blizzard. I'd like to see how your hair fares in a blizzard. And I'd like to see how your hair would fare in a blizzard. Mr. Umbrella. Mr. Umbrella Man. And he called me Snow Woman. So I wrote back, "I'd like to see how your hair would fare in a blizzard."
Oh my god, I love this video. This might be my favorite video of all time. Third place in Iowa, by the way. I'm calling it now. Third place in Iowa. I'm just saying. It's happening.